This video is on the distributive law for multiplication. If you're looking for the videos on the laws, the associative and the commutative laws of multiplication and addition, those are elsewhere. So this is just a quick video. So the distributive law for multiplication states that the product of an expression of two terms by a single factor is equal to the sum of the products of each term of the expression by the single factor. That is a lot of sentence, which I didn't end in quotes. And that maybe doesn't make sense right now. After we look at these examples, it'll make perfect sense. So this is all the distributive law. This is what it looks like, is us saying A times B plus C can also be thought of or written as A times B plus A times C. So we're just multiplying this single factor by this whole term right here. And so that's what we mean by two terms. So there's two terms right here, and then the single factor is right here, and that's equal to the sum of these factors multiplied by A. So in real numbers, we can see that, in numbers, we can see this is 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. It's super easy. So we have the factor here, the two terms. We can think of it that way. Now this applies as well for four two terms with 3 literals. This works. So we can think of this as A times B, A times C, A times D. And we add all those together. Now let's just do a quick example. Here's some examples. You can pause this if you'd like. If you want to, do that right now, and then otherwise I'm just going to start covering them now. So what we're going to do is distribute these. So we got B times C, B times D, and B times E. But we're going to remember that we're going to put BC plus BD plus BE. Super easy. BC times C, BC times D, BC times times 2, but don't worry about that. We're going to do BC squared, because now we have two C's, plus BCD plus, or minus, I forgot about that guy, minus, oopsies, 2BC. Here we're going to do 3x by 2, 3x times xy, 3x times z. So we're going to do 3 times 2 equals 6x. And here we're going to do, oh my gosh, why do I do this? Don't do math in a pen. Alright, 6x minus 3x squared, because there's two of them. And then we throw the y on there. And then plus 3xz. So again, we're just taking this big old thing and distributing it. Next one. We're going to do, this is probably the harder one. So we got 4 times 2 is 8. Now we got 2 a's and 2 b's. So a squared, b squared. Plus, so there's that. Now we got 4 times 3, which is 12. Got a squared, because now there's 2 a's, and then the b is just going to stay with us, and so is the c. Minus, do that. And then none of these are like terms, so we can't do anything with that. So it's just going to be A, B, C, and D. So this is the distributive law for multiplication, quick and easy.